What is Python? Python is a popular programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is used for website development, software development, data science and data visualization, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and much more. Why is Python so popular? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Now let's see how you can set it up on your machine. Anaconda is the best Python distribution tool on the internet. You can download Python by visiting the link www.anaconda.com/products/individual. The link is also mentioned in the description of the video so that you can easily access it. Once you will click the link,
You will reach this screen. Now scroll down to the bottom where you will find Anaconda installers. It is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. I use Windows, so I will download Windows. Windows again has two options, 64-bit and 32-bit. If you don't know which bit Windows you use, go to Control Panel, change the view to small icons or large icons, anything, and click on System. If you see system type, I am using 64-bit operating system, so I will download 64-bit version. If you use 32, you have to download that version. Click on Save and the setup will start downloading. No, I don't want to create an account. So it will take some time as it is 500 MB. Once it is done, click on the setup and the installer will start. Click on Next. You can use it for just me or all users, anything. Next. Now very important, uncheck the first option. Do not select the first option. Now the process has started and it might take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your computer. Let me skip the video. Now the setup is complete as completed is written. Click Next, Next. Uncheck the two options because I don't want to run them as of now and click Finish. And your Anaconda is installed.
Now that Anaconda is installed, let's move on to the software that we will be using within Anaconda to run our Python codes. So for this course, we'll be using the Spider IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So with Spider, it gives us a great UI so that we can write and execute Python codes. In order to open Spider, click on the Start menu, find Anaconda 3, expand that. So you'll find Spider there. If in case you do not find Spider there, you can come to Anaconda Navigator. And here you will find Spider. Just click on the launch button and Spider will start. The other IDE that is very famous is Jupyter Notebooks. But for this course, we'll be using Spider. Once you click the launch button, you will see a loading bar in the bottom right and Spider will start in a few moments.
And this is how Spider IDE looks like. On the left hand side is the space where we will write all the code. On the right hand side is the console where we will get the output. You'll understand it better when we'll use it practically.